Welcome this video. Style living room partition design. Create functional and beautiful space in modern home. Open plan living in a popular design trend that bring a scene of sophistication and flying. However, those often a need of to divide space without compromising the opening. That where living room partition design come into play. A well-designed partition not only functional area but also enhance the aesthetic of a space. Whether you are living into the composed apartment or a sophisticated home, partition idea can help create privacy, original and layout and add an extend element and style. We explored various create living room partition design that blend beauty and functional. Wood steel partition. Wood partition are one of the most elegant and maximum way of divide your living space. This clean and natural fit of wood add warmth and chaptering to your room. Those partition allow light and air to pass through main entrance and their feel of an open layout. Tip glass partition with material fans. Inspire the Android design glass partition frame with black and bring metal are a trend choice then work experiment well in modern and minimalism. Interior allow to travel fit and will clean define space. Best for fiber look when minimalist apartment and office. Tip glass add an elegant to privacy without mark the space feel enclosed. Shave unit as partition when not cabin functional with from open shed unit can double as the room divide and display area. Those shed often story decoration and zoom all in one. Best for smart apartment and electricity interior. Tip use shared with define wood style of a platform and modern look. Mini decoration image like book plants and air price to reference your personally. Fiber partition. For those who want to flexible and contemporary solved for fiber partition are a great idea then can be draw when you need privacy to pull back when you want to an open chat. Best for boho, relax, friendly home. Choose fiber like privacy for better surrounding interior, shed water well for remains fat. Greenery and living wall partition bring natural indoor with various gardening or plants wall bread out of natural partition. Those greenly divide pull the area create and warm barriers to bring far before Central price. Best Asia Compost House Design Enthusiast. Type use low maintenance plant like frame or succulent, a combination of natural and fiber gardening. Also work valve, half wall partition. A half valve or front valve is a great way to subdivide space without marked theme feel disconnect. It's often just suffocation to define zone while keep and slant line opens. Best for trending layout and family house. Tip: use the top of the half wall as a breakfast brewing display or plants holder.